think of home.
Home. When I think of home, I think of a place where there's love overflowing. I wish I was home. I wish I was back there with the things I've been knowing. Suddenly my world's gone and changed its place, but I still know where I'm going.
In fairness, nag-level up ka na. Showing ang dating. God bless and more power to your show and to the whole Kaizen Builders. Love ya! Closer to home.
Hello, Ate Ses! Congratulations! Wow! Great na great! Artista ka natin. Ang ganda-ganda mo kanina sa taping mo. Kamukha ka ni Bea Alonzo. You know, it is indeed a dream come true for you and for the whole Kaizen Builders family. Congratulations again. More power to your show. I love you. Closer to home. Closer to home.
Congratulations!
Yes!
Yes! Back, Kuya Robin, Ate
Oo.
Beth, Ate
Malapit
Kuya.
na ako makasurvive.
Yes! Wow! Okay. Napakaganda ng opening ng Closer to Home. Para po sa ating mga viewers who just tuned in po dito sa Sky 12 and 61. Welcome to Closer to Home.
Oh, yeah.
Yan. At eto ang kanyang pamilya ngayon dito sa
Yes.
SCC.
Oo.
Kuya.
Malapit natin maisalba yung
mentors.
pilot episode. So,
May minuto na
Konti na lang.
oo, kanti na lang. But anyway, hubaran natin si Ate Ses. Hubaran natin si Ate Ses. Okay.
Baka hindi mo gusto makita mo.
Sino ang unang matatanggal?
Okay. Here. Ate Ses, what's the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning?
The first thing I do, I meditate and I pray. Even before pa akong tumayo, yung nakahiga pa ako, that's what I do. And then, after meditation and prayers, I think of all the things na gusto kong mangyari. I imagine it. Parang binivisualize ko siya. Never fail yan every morning.
How do we call that? Imagineering.
Imaginary.
Imagineering. Okay, that's how we call it.
Kaya pala, ang ganda ng kanyang mga quotes in the morning pagbukas mo ng FB.
Inspire na inspire si Ate Ses. Every time na makikita mo yung FB, maraming mga quotes din doon. Talagang uninspiring
Right.
morning para sa kanya.
Okay lang, positive para ma-attract mo yung mga positive.
Positive.
Oo naman.
Parang kanina pa malalim ang gustong itanong ni Ading Beth.
Actually, Sis Grace. Miss Grace. And of course, just call me Miss Well. Of course, we have Ate already and Kuya Rab. Kanina pa ako na-amaze sa kagandahan ni Ate Ses.
Right.
Ayan. Kanina ko pa rin pinag-iisipan ko nga tama ba na itanong ko kaagad yung kanyang beauty secret.
Beauty secret.
Secret nga eh.
Secret.
Oo.
Natin tanungin, ano po ba ang
Ipulong
isa
na.
sa nagpapaganda sa inyo? Ayan.
Ayun.
Sa Sarah.
Siguro I have the same answer, no? That I
The
always
positive outlook.
Yeah, the positive outlook, and I always meditate, no, and I do not let whatever's happening in the day affect my results and my moods. No? So kung merong hindi magandang nangyari, I shift right away. I shift right
ang
away
hirap, no?
para hindi masira yung buong araw, and I try not to yung idamay mo yung ibang tao na pag may nangyari may tulong mo, sigaw-sigawan mo sila. So, hingang malalim lang lagi.
Tingnan mo lang.
Are you comfortable with your name? Ses? Oo. Kasi yung sinasabi mo, that's grace under pressure. Oh!
So I should change my name to Grace? I like that.
Katanungan, kasi ito ang parati naming chika ni aking Ate Ses. Ito, paano mag-express ng lambing ang Ate Ses?
Okay.
Yeah.
Ako, I'm a very physical person, no? So I'm kinesthetic. So I love to hug a lot. I love to kiss. I love to touch, no? And so I do that. But I respect also yung mga tao who are not like that. Like yung apo ko, yung panganay is very sweet. Pag nakita ka, akap agad siya. Yung isa naman, ayaw niya ng ganon. Gusto niya kung kikis siya lang, steady ka lang. So I also respect that. But also, how do I show my love? Yung concern ko sa kanila. No, sa sinasabi nila sa akin na I'm always concerned kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa kanila. Not only to my families, but to my friends as well.
Okay, ito. A day in the life of Ate Ces Apostol. Walk us through. Walk us through.
Usually, I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Mhm.
And then, that's my best thinking time eh. So, I wake up at 4 o'clock and I do all my work there. And then, mga around 8 or 9 o'clock, yan, mag-shower na ako. And then, I'll go to the office. Sa office, hindi ako nag-work. No? I just monitor or whatever yung plans na ginawa ko.
And you
I
get
just share
paid
it to
doing
them.
that, huh?
Yeah.
Ganun, ha? You get paid doing the shower. Wow.
Yes, at syempre, sir, tinanong ni Miss Grace kanina kung paano ba maglambing ang isang Ate Ces. Syempre, pag may lambing, kahit naman gano'n tayo kabait, syempre napupuno din. Tanungin natin siya kung paano ba magalit ang isang Ate Ces.
Nakakatakot daw.
Nanlilisik bang mga mata mo?
And hindi naman. I'm very frank kasi, no? So, hindi ko style yung kung galit ako sa iyo, i-chismis kita doon sa kabila. No. You don't expect that from me. I'll tell you, and then I'll give you a chance to explain. And I'll ask you, and I'll try to listen with the intention of understanding your situation. And then, yung lagi tinuturo ni Kuya Rob sa akin na to understand yung mga tao, yung put yourself in their situation, in their shoes. And then, from there, yun na, makukuha na nila yung mga lessons. Na ganon.
Yeah. Nabanggit niyo yung shoes. Ilan ba ang iyong sapatos?
MLDific ka ba? Oo.
Scientific ka ba?
MLDific ka ba?
Kasi alam mo,
to say
Sis
that.
Bel, parati kong hinahangaan ang kanyang mga sapatos pagka nagkita kami. So,
My
mga ilan na ba ang iyong sapatos? Ilang pares?
Actually, naglinis ako ng aking walk-in closet. 75 pairs na lang ang natira.
Pinamigyan mo yung iba?
Hindi ka naambunan?
Hindi ka na ako nampunan na. Size ano ako 7.
Malaki pa ako.
Malaki pa niya.
Size 8.
Size
Kay Kuya Rab yan.
Figuratively speaking, di ba?
Oo.
It's hard to fill up her
Her
shoes.
shoes. Tama.
Ganon.
Mahirap.
Lagi mo sinasabi na parang, I work hard, ganon. Tapos, wala akong bisyo. I don't have a nightlife. Hindi ako nagsusugal, ganon. So, I just pamper myself. That's my way of parang rewarding din myself.
How do you end your day?
How do I end my day? Usually, it ends at 9 o'clock yung closing ng office namin sa SF. Usually, kasama ko na yung mga agents. Hinahatid namin sila kung saan sila pupunta. And then, pagdating sa bahay, before dinner and after dinner, yun, nag-FB. Yan.
Walang palas.
I knew you'd say that.
Actually, nakikita ko rin, napapasin ko rin kay Ate Ces is hindi lang yan sa sapatos mahilig. Kung anong suot niya, yan din ang color ng kanyang mga
Jewel
bags.
at
Color coordinated lahat, di ba?
Ala.
Color coordinated.
Bakit yung sinasabi yun dito?
Yung pa rin ka nga namin.
Ilang mga bags na ba, nakagawa ka na ba ng isang bahay na punong-puno ng
Bag.
mga sapatos?
Oo, oo,
Bags. Oo.
Hindi naman. I just have one big walk-in closet, no. And saka unlike my sister, I don't want to hoard. Yung pagka medyo hindi ko na type, ay pinapamigay ko siya. Ganun. So, yun ang ano. Pero marami-rami din.
Yun ang
Marami
abangan
rami
natin,
rin.
Miss Grace. Pag hindi niya na-type ang kanyang fuchsia. Punta tayo sa kanya.
Yes.
Yes.
Ibigay niyo sa akin para ibenta ko sa ukay-ukay.
Sa akin muna, Kuya Rab.
Okay. Parang naubusan na ako ng tanong, ha?
Okay. I would like to get to know Ate Ces as a mom. As a mom.
Paano ako as a
Oo,
mom?
sa mga
Actually, ako, yung daughters ko, they're like friends to me. No? I remember may conversation kami nung panganay ko when she was 17. Then I said that, I don't know how to be a good mom, but I think the result, because I'm a result-oriented person, the result will show. So it's really up to you. Sabi ko kung good mom ako or hindi. Tapos sabi niya, ang bigat naman nung binigay mo responsibility sa akin. Sabi ko siya, pag naging gago ka, di bad mom ako. Rin ganun.
Yeah,
Yun.
that's
But
it.
I'm very close to them. I'm very close to them. Hanggang ngayon, my eldest daughter is 28 years old.
Mm.
Papasok yun sa kwarto, and then yung ihiga siya nung para siyang yung fetal position, naka-embrace siya. Tapos nakatingin yung anak niyang panganay, tapos tawa siya ng tawa. Oh, Nana is like a baby, gano'n.
Okay. Ano ka as a lola?
As a lola, yes, no. As a lola, I cannot say no to them.
Yeah.
Ganon. Parang
Sana
spoiler
ako muna
daw.
Siyempre, usually naman yung mga apo ang spoil.
Okay.
Siyempre yung last, siyempre andyan si Bossing. Ano siya kay Bossing? Kaya nga Bossing, di ba?
Bossing nga di ba? So, I support his, right now, marami siya mga advocacies. So, I support that 100%. Yeah.
Okay, we're almost coming to a close. So we would like to hear a few words from you, because in the next episode you are already going to be the one to be hosting the show. Okay,
Okay, so
Miss Grace, Miss Vel, and Kuya Rob won't be there anymore, so you're on your own.
Pwede ba balik
So-
kayo?
The price is right.
If the dinner is right. Okay, any message to our televiewers, to the televiewers of Closer to Home?
Okay. Again, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. From now on po, every Wednesday, dito po sa Sky 12, ay makakasama niyo ako every 6:30 to 7:30. Sana po, pagtiyagaan niyo kami. Sana po, bigyan niyo kami ng feedback of how we can make our show better, because we want to make it entertaining and educational as well. At sana po lagi nyo kaming samahan dito. And I also like to take this opportunity na pasalamatan si Kuya Rob, si Miss Grace, and si Miss Vel, no, sa pag-aano namin, pagsama namin dito. Sa pagtulong nila sa akin for being my very good mentors. So, please na remember po na we're not only building houses, Kaizen Builders, but we're also trying to help you build your homes. And love and peace will reign if we are closer to home. So, this is your Ate Ces Apostol po, saying, everyone, please have a restful night. Thank you.
Yeah. Closer to home. Good night, everyone. Good night. Bye.